Are you having problems trying to clean stains from your kitchen countertops? Buying and finding all types of products and still can't get those pesky stains out? No worries, we got the solution for you. Here is Caesarstone's cleaning test. How to clean Caesarstone products. Use a soft wet cloth or a damp non-abrasive sponge, preferably with Caesarstone's cream cleanser. Wipe thoroughly and clean with cloth to dry. Once you're done, it will look brand new and sparkly clean, keeping your countertops clean and hassle-free. Caesarstone surfaces require very little maintenance to keep them from looking like new. Being non-porous, it will keep its lustrous, gloss and ultra-smooth surface which never needs polishing or sealing. Caesarstone is back with a new collection. Caesarstone combines beauty with outstanding performance, enabling you to bring your design and imagination to life. Also, all Caesarstone products comes with a 10-year warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come by to Caesarstone to check it out.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.